Yo, what's
Yo,
up,
what's up?
world? Bali lovers, coffee lovers, cake lovers, Ubud lovers. We are in Ubud today. We already start with our coffee. Actually, that's what we showed what is left.
Yeah, I got day off, and then we just decided to go to Ubud.
Actually, we don't know where we're gonna show you around, but somewhere on the main streets of Ubud, right? Let's see how it's busier or is the same. I think it's gonna be busier, but let's see. All right. So if you're interested, what's the name of the place where is so many arts and the chandeliers and everything, and great coffee and cake, by the way. This is the name. I don't know if you can see it. It's bittersweet, not paid endorsement anyway. And meanwhile, we're gonna show you around how it looks. A little bit of the Jalan monkey forest everywhere. There's some public bus, by the way, nowadays. It doesn't really change much. Some businesses are open, some are closed. Little bit more cars and motorbikes park around, but also many shops are closed. This is something new here. Liap modern grill restaurant. Actually, it's not as that busy on Jalan Monkey Forest when I thought at the beginning. Is still you can walk on the middle of the street and not much is happening actually. Here is little mural, all humanity welcome, Om, tolerance, Om, and a very small lane deep inside.
So, like some of the restaurant will be open and some of the restaurant will be remain like this, or the place will be remain like this, gone bankruptcy, and then they just left unattended, just like this. You see? Even the stuff there inside looks like so messy.
For rent. Yeah,
for
like
rent.
this. Even Bintang saying here, sorry, we are closed. Yeah, there is like still monkey forest, Jalan monkey forest still little bit far until the proper back to normal.
A few moments later.
And the music store is even finally open. I hope so. I'm not gonna get a problems with YouTube for this painting at the front. Pandava. Anyway, yeah, even the small warungs here with the merchandise are open with these bags. Definitely a little bit more alive. There are still some shops are closed, unfortunately, but many of them on the other side of the street, especially, they are open. Also here, some shops are open. Some people also on the street and making pictures, even like a little photo session here. Not so bad. Bollywood Indian cuisine, and there are some tourists even walking on the street. Seems like a local domestic tourist, but that's good. That's good. But only tourists who are in Bali right now, anyway. And the car also.
Okay, so seems like in these holiday seasons,
The big cable, electric cable. Be careful.
and many local domestic tourists now we see, but mostly in the Ubud center.
Yeah.
And yeah, let's see how it is the Ubud traditional market, whether as busy or as quiet as before.
Yeah, let's see. Let's
see.
have a look. And definitely more tourists, as you see, still walking. The King Palace is at the front. And this is already the entrance to the traditional art market in Ubud. Definitely much more alive than I was here last time. And of course, definitely people are more open for the business right now. Actually, when I didn't record myself, everybody offer me something to buy as honey. But now seems like when I film myself, they are not really offering me to sell anything. But you have to trust me. There was like, oh, this guy wanna offer me. I'm alright, man.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, no problem. So as you see, like I said, definitely, you can buy the turtle. The real ones are gone from the ocean, but the wooden you can buy still, at least in the market here. And it's actually quite busy here. Definitely busier than it was. Check this out. Not so bad. Not so bad indeed. Yes, sir, not so bad, right?
Yeah, I'm so happy to see that how the that the local economies nowadays is growing.
I think you buy something here last time, remember?
Yeah.
Long time ago.
So yeah, this is how it is. Like the economy growing up again.
Slowly moving forward.
You see?
Woo. And even people driving around. Yeah, definitely much more alive. and also seems like I have a fresh stock everywhere around. Not so bad. Also, so many people working on the wooden dinghies here, so you can feel definitely the taste, the smell. I mean the smell of the wooden lacquer, whatever you call this, what you make a wood. So we just exit the market, and here past weeks, past month, there was the road construction. Now it's somehow finished. There is the nice asphalt, but long time ago there was the bricks. Maybe if you remember or watch my videos, you should remember. Anyway, most of the restaurants behind me, they are like mostly of them they closed. Some of the warungs with the clothes especially, they are open, but the restaurants are closed. Main junction in Ubud, there is like a little police station and the King Palace. And well, road is new. That's definitely better than it was, because it was very bad in the past weeks. Traffic is definitely a little bit more alive also because of the holiday season.
Okay, so by looking at the traffic in Ubud now, I feel really optimistic about the economy. Well, let's say the economy more developing, even like it's not as huge impact just like in normal situation, but
Definitely.
It's better like this, better than empty, right?
Yeah. Especially it was very empty, even here where we are filming right now. And also they have some activities in the Banjar. I don't know what they are doing, but yeah, they are some sort of like this. And this street is also quite busy, I could say. So here actually traffic is quite big, not so bad. And here is something is happening, I'm not sure what, but they have some activities around actually, really not so bad. Some restaurants here actually seems like they are preparing to reopening in the near future, because cleaning, reconstruction, that's also good. Honey, we need to cross the street. Stop, please stop. Thank you so much. We made it. It was actually not so bad.
So before, when we cross the street, we just cross it because it's empty, but now...
Or you could even walk on the middle of the street. I used to do like that. That was no problem. But yeah, definitely it's busier. That's for sure. So happy to see that little traffic at least, right?
Yeah.
At least if I don't driving on the car and not stuck. But it's okay. So, as the conclusion, I could say, at least during the holiday season, definitely it's busier. And many of businesses also looks open, and even they are not open, many of them they are like preparing to be open in the very soon. So,
but yeah, at least traffic regarding to the local domestic tourists, it's good for the economy.
At least something better than it was like completely zero and empty street, like a literally ghost town, somebody could say. So yeah.
I think that's all our video today, guys, from Ubud. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya. Take
Bye.
care, guys.